Hey guys, this is Krish here again with another video, and in this video I'll be unboxing this OnePlus PowerBank which I purchased from OnePlus.in. It costed me around 561 rupees, where I had a 200 rupees voucher, so I think it's a pretty good deal for 561 rupees. So let's just open and check out the PowerBank. So the packaging is really good. And it's not like some typical Amazon or Flipkart's package. It's this. I love this kind of packages. So let's just see. Wow. So okay, I have some. I guess this is some invoice, and let's just put it aside. And this is the PowerBank box. This is the main box. It looks pretty good. It feels solid, like even if it is a box, it feels pretty solid. Let's just open it. So this power bank actually supports 18 watt fast charging. I don't know what the reason is for OnePlus to go with the 18 watt charging, because usually the OnePlus phones support at least 30 watts or maybe at least 20 watts for the dash charging. So I'm not sure. I don't think it will be useful for the OnePlus phones, but probably maybe if there are any other phones which support 18 watt fast charging, then this should be perfect for them, because usually 10,000 mAh power banks cost around 600 or 700 in that price range, and this being a OnePlus and all the design and all, I feel it should be really good. So let's just check. Oh wow. Just look at that. Look at the packing. Wow. You also got the Red Cable Club card, and okay, this is some instruction manual, I guess. Yeah, and this is the cable. So okay, so they have two. Wow, that's really good. This is a micro USB and this is a type C. So they just gave it inbuilt, like where you can use it for both. Probably you can use it for some truly wireless earphones which come with micro USB. So wow, just look at that. It comes with this carbon fiber texture, and it looks amazing. It actually feels very light, and it looks very, it feels very sturdy actually in my hands. Just look at this. Wow. And trust me, it is really light. I can't believe that this power bank holds a 10,000 mAh battery, because previously I owned some Ambrain power banks, and they used to be very bulky, like probably this much. They used to be like this fat, and yeah, this with this length. So this is really good. I hope it will give a good charge, maybe at least with an efficiency of 90%. So yeah, that's good. And okay, I hope you liked this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. So until then, stay safe, and be happy. Just have fun, do whatever you want, but stay home. And also please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, so that I'll be motivated to make more such videos for you guys. So thank you.